Okay, I have time for a quick video here, and I just want to show how to find the maximum value from a cell when all the values are together like this. So the first step is to split the text. So we'll need to use the split function, and I'm going to take this, and then the delimiter is going to be the comma. Oops. So I got the wrong value here. And I put the wrong delimiter in. Okay. Now you can see that it took out, it separated all the values. Now I'm going to wrap that in a max value function. So I'm going to do my max value, and I'm going to do split. And I'm going to see if I can do this correctly this time. And then it shows the max value. Now we can test this by, well, if I drag it down. So you can see this is not showing any values because it shows B5 and B6 and B7. B5, B6, B7, and B8. But then this one finds the max value of this, which is 102. So if you're looking to find the maximum value in a cell and all your data is together, you can use these two functions together, the max and split.